Welcome everybody, good morning everybody, welcome to www. It's a great pleasure to see so big number of media and journalists and enthusiasts here in this new edition of www World Ducati Week. So welcome everybody. We are ready with the opening conference of this fantastic event. A little bit more special this year, and we will see it. We just closed last year, 2 years ago, I have to say, with a special moment. This year will be even better. I leave the stage to Claudio Domenicali, CEO of Ducati. Thank you very much, Claudio.
So, ciao a tutti. A lot of friends, a lot of people together to this birthday. Ciao. Not yet seen. It's very emotional, you know. Because actually 100 years it's a lot, and typically when you turn 100 it's kind of you're getting old, and so it's nice really to be here celebrating 100 years together. With it means that the company has a lot of past. Many of the bikes of the past made by Ducati made the history of motorcycling, called the 916, just for example, you know. But still today we are in a fantastic moment for the company. Racing is very strong when we look at what we have achieved, what this guy here in front have achieved in the past years. It's just amazing, you know. And so the talk about the company that's a lot of things that are working together, hopefully even this thing, which actually, yes. So this brand that we represented, we have the pleasure to be here celebrating this birthday. It's kind of iconic, you know, because we put together a fantastic racing history. Yesterday for me were very emotional. We were in a meeting with all the clubs, and actually at the end, in order to say thank you to all the president of the club, we had Carl and Troy joining us on stage. This picture is Carl Fogarty, and I mean everyone which is passionate about motorcycle remember a lot of incredible memories of what has happened. So Carl, Troy, Casey Stoner is here with us, plus all the super mega top rider that we have here in front of me, Fabio, which actually it's our best Ducatista now in front of the championship. So first big applause to Fabio Di Gianantonio. 16 points, is it? 16. So, and then it's a company that like to put together even strange things, you know, which is very difficult to organize and even complicated. So the picture which is in the middle, it's a MotoGP, Sims Michele, actually is a bike of Michele, and also Ciao Michele, which is here. But actually is a normal client, which actually had the possibility to test the MotoGP in a program that we built together. And actually even on Monday, next week here we'll have another 10 people that we have the pleasure and the opportunity to do something which is a memory for the life, which actually take a proper MotoGP and spend a few laps on the circuit. And the other part is that the brand is just very cool, you know. A lot of good people, a lot of nice people want to be on Ducati. We do a lot with watches and everything. So it's a brand which is much more than just a motorcycle. Actually, as we said, it's a fascinating history. We will not get to that because it's very long, but as we are celebrating 100 years, starting 1926, and actually a lot have happened from that point. It's very... this brand, we like to say, which is special also in the value that put it together, and we often think on some characteristics that when you put them together, make it kind of unique. Very difficult to find another one similar. So 100 years of history, so many historical bikes, a racing success which is actually unprecedented, and when we look back on what has happened in the last 10 years, both Superbike and MotoGP, difficult to say that Ducati have not been dominating. So an incredible domination in racing, together with the history. Top technology of the product, the current Panigale R, for example, it's very clearly, for sure, one of the best Superbike ever, if not the best at all. It's doing a lot of great things even in the national championship, in British Superbike, in Germany. So a lot of races that are doing pretty good. The Multistrada is full of technology. So you put fantastic history, racing success, technology on the product, which is top-notch, and a lot of love for design. You put these four characteristics together, and you ask anyone in the field, very easily we say this is Ducati. And we often like to remember, because there are many brands around, many companies producing good motorcycles, but actually this is what makes Ducati, in our opinion, that special. We actually remind ourselves also, when we wake up in the morning, why Ducati exists. And you can call it mission, you can call it purpose. We try very hard to remind ourselves that we do not want just to build a motorcycle, but we work hard to produce things like this, which for the people that are outside are memories. People buy the bike, but people love to see the races, people love to come to event. What is then the remaining? Our memories, our experiences. And actually, we like to see ourselves as a group of people that live with passion what we're doing. We love motorcycle for sure, but our fans out there are the real shareholder of the company. And we like very much to be capable of building incredible memories. And what we are doing here all together, and our heroes are here in front of us, is really the pinnacle of actually creating memories. What we'll do together with the parade this evening, the beach where we have the party, tomorrow evening the big show that will be here, the race of champions, that the kind of unique event that we organize in the world, are all made to create memories and actually to make a life which is better and more full. So here is the World Ducati Week of the Centenario. Patrizia will enter into the detail of everything that's happening in the calendar, but I really like to introduce something which is specific of the World Ducati Week. These things exist since 1998, so we like to do things that last in time, and so it's the latest edition of something which has grown a lot. Now it's so big that actually we are trying with the organization to make sure that everything is under control, because the number of people that are there, it's really more than our best expectation. And this event, as we say, is rooted in the heart of Motor Valley. Motor Valley is very clear what it is for many, but for the one that have not so clear, it's an incredible place in the world, Emilia-Romagna. We call it Motor Valley because when you put a kind of a compasso with the center of Bologna and with 100 kilometers, you find Ferrari, Lamborghini, Maserati, dalla, Pagani. You find the circuit of Imola and of course Misano, where we are, and a kind of unique place in the world. And so we are very proud of being part of Motor Valley as Ducati, the only two-wheel brand of Motor Valley. And it's a kind of a complete ecosystem, because we have even a lot of relationship with the university. We invented, developed, and created together with the other brands, Muner, which is a kind of, it's called a motor vehicle University of Emilia-Romagna, which actually join students, new young engineers, all the brands that are giving space to them. And actually, even here in Misano, thanks to Michele, we are developing a specific school for mechanics. I think this is very relevant and very important, so we like to be part of this big ecosystem. And when we talk about our hero, also here, we do the big part in a racetrack. So WDW is about racing. So, and the racing we started with some idea, and actually it's getting bigger and bigger in time. So we have more events. It's history because we have all the riders of the past that come together. And as we put in this chart, it's impressive. Not less than 37 world championship will be present here, are present here. And so all the big heroes of the past, plus the hero of the present, are here in order to create memories for the fun. Then of course it will be a difficult life for our hero here, but actually it's something that for sure will be remembered. It's also part of what we call the future, and for the first time in WDW, thanks to Michele, we will have a race which is called V2 Future Champ. And what is V2 Future Champ? Actually, it's Lenovo V2 Future Champ from this race. Actually, we follow Michele, which actually, you know, is our test rider, Michele Tiro, but actually had the idea to try to help the system to develop new talent. And so we have the Panigale V2, which is a very balanced motorcycle now in the range. And actually we created a series that will be explained more in detail in order to have the possibility to create a racing series which is quite inexpensive because the bikes are very similar, and actually everyone can develop his own talent, and maybe, who knows, in the future we can get a future Superbike champ coming out from here, and maybe even a future MotoGP champ, you know? It's a dream, it's very difficult. I know that some people may think it's impossible, but actually we want to give our contribution. And actually Michele has a lot to do with this, and will explain it's not just more racing, but there is about fitness, how you eat, how you psychologically work in order to become potentially a future champion. So we are very happy to contribute to this, and here we will have a racing of it. Actually, we have the V4 Elite Cup. It's another invention of Michele again, in which we were being very happy to support. What is V4 Elite Cup? You will see the races. Actually, it is already the practice. Okay? And actually, it's an amateur race. We develop bikes that more and more are oriented for racetrack. We have a lot of amateur. Amateur go in our racing school, which actually is DRE. They get practice, they then start to do the DRE professional, and then it's one-to-one with the instructor. And this is the next level. So actually in which you can race being an amateur. And you may deem what is an amateur capable of doing with a bike like this. Actually, one of the fastest one, which actually is a very good friend of ours, is actually an owner of a group of hotel here in the Riviera, and actually is capable of lapping with a V4S here in 140. And actually, he's not a rider. It's a manager of hotel, you know. And of course, he trained, and Michele gave a lot of support. And the races have been done also in order to develop with safety, and so the starting is not from stopped. It's let's say a fast start in order to have everything as safe as possible. And of course, the king of the race here will be the Lenovo Race of Champ that I hope the slide join on the stage for us, which actually is a little bit of a joke, because really we have Pecco and Mark and Nicolò and all the other riders here with the local hero from the local championship, because we have guys from Germany, from Australia, from US, all with the same bike. And actually, it's kind of a little bit of the dream of every passionate people to see all the riders with the same bike. Of course, for them, it's a little bit of a not a real race, but you know, when the rider then put helmets on, it's always there will be some show. So again, this will be another lot of memory for our Ducatisti, and I want to thank all the riders here to really join the race, and I will make a big applause to them.